Herzlich willkommen.
Hello, I'm Ruth.
The most unsustainable thing is to throw away food. So we run a restaurant out of the perspective of zero waste. Most consumers, even today, don't have the perspective of a farmer and a product. So
there's no relationship to what's on the plate at the moment.
Just clean it off and you cook it in light salted water and a splash of butter, and it becomes like the most amazing thing. You can have it all. This is what nature looks like. The restaurateurs or the shops says that it's too hard to clean them.
We grow enough food for 10 billion people on this planet to be well fed, and yet nearly 1 million people go to bed hungry every night. A third of all the food that's grown in the world goes into the bin.
We have chefs from 14 different Swedish embassies throughout Europe. It's a great pleasure for us to have you here, and they're all here for a workshop in order to learn about sustainable cooking and waste reduction.
There's no tradition in here anymore, but just curiosity of, you know, trying new things.
It's always good to meet up with others and get some new, nice ideas.
I never knew you could dry a pear until it was really shriveled, and then chop it up and turn it into like a dried fruit in a cake. Food systems need changing, and the analogy I always use is that Oscar de la Renta can change fashion, chefs can change food.
So we're using all dry bread and we remake it into ravioli.
Beetroot, carrots and onion. Also apples. And it's cooked slowly to become like a jam.
People are always laughing when you say we're using the coffee grinders, but it actually is blanched coffee beans, so there's nothing wrong with it. And the only thing left is the sweetness and the richness of the coffee. And that's perfect for a bread.
Delicious.